Hello vlog, welcome back to my channel. Guys, for today's videos we proceed to a hot coffee flavor. We already done discussions about our iced coffee flavor, so now we need to go to hot coffee flavor. For today's videos we discuss about hot Spanish latte. So guys, what is a hot Spanish latte? This coffee is very easy and simple, so we need to make an actual procedure again this hot coffee, hot Spanish latte. So let's go guys, we need to make an actual procedure again of this hot Spanish latte. Tara! So our first step is we need to take this glass, one glass, it's okay, one glass, then the weighing scale also we need to open our weighing scale. This is important to make an hot coffee flavor. Any items, any want grams of the flavor, you need to make this weighing scale. This is important to a barista. We need to make it weigh our flavor, any flavor. So guys, let's start our topic for today. So first we need to re-zero this our weighing scale. We need to make this one re-zero. So guys, this is we need to re-zero this one first. Then for hot Spanish latte we need condensed milk. We need condensed milk, 30 grams of condensed milk. So guys, this is a condensed milk guys. I already transfer into a bottle so that we can easy to drop. So 30 grams of condensed milk guys for our hot Spanish latte. Drop 30 grams of hot Spanish latte. 30 grams. Slowly. Oops. Okay guys, that is 30 grams of Spanish latte of condensed milk. So next we need to make an espresso. So next step is espresso. Okay guys, we need to take espresso. Single, double shot is okay, no problem. Ito we have already coffee, we need first. Then we need to extract this one so that we have an espresso coffee. So guys, let's see. Make an extraction. So guys, we already have an espresso coffee. Next step guys is our next step is to mix our condensed milk and coffee.
Call me up again, 너의 부재중 I'ma pick up my phone, yeah. Call me up again, 화면에는 빨간색 숫자가 또 또 더했지. Hit me up again 우리 몰래 차 안에서 주고받은 선물 같이. Call me up again, hit me up again 우리 전화하듯이 또 비밀래.
So now the mix is okay, already finished. Condensed milk and espresso is already there. So step guys, our next step is we need to make a foam. We need to make a foam so that we can draw a latte art here inside the glass. First, milk and we need milk 100 grams or 150 grams, 100 to 150 grams of our milk. Okay guys, we have already foam. Okay guys, please draw our latte art for Spanish latte. So guys, this is our hot Spanish, and so we already have condensed milk 30 grams inside, and then latte art already, milk 150 grams. That's easy guys. So guys, our hot Spanish latte is very easy. Only 30 grams of condensed milk, drop 30 grams inside the glass of condensed milk, then draw a latte art. That's it. That's it guys, our hot Spanish latte, very easy. Thank you guys for watching. So as you can see, our hot Spanish latte. So guys, thank you for watching.